Talking with Sal Sheikh of Canon. Really fine people. They've got such an exhibit here at this show this year, and your group has won a whole host of must-see-ems. Let's talk about it.
Well, good morning to you. How are you doing?
Yeah.
Great to see you. Well, first of all, yeah, thank you. We actually won in the large format group 2 must-see-em awards. Very innovative technology for one of the products. It's Colorwave, OSE Colorwave 900. And it really is allowing the commercial printers to transition to short-run digital printing.
Okay.
It enables really customers to really go for that short-run point-of-purchase market with a very high speed and a very good quality level. So thank you. The second product is a continuation of our very successful Arizona portfolio. The Arizona portfolio is a UV curable flatbed that enables direct to rigid large format materials. For example, signage at trade shows, point of purchase displays, and the new Arizona 660 is the latest model that we have here at the booth, and that's also received very good traffic, so thank you for asking.
We were talking just before the interview, and you made a very pertinent point that you see a kind of a trend maybe of print houses that are moving to wide format now, and they're bringing that in-house rather than jobbing it out.
Absolutely. You know, the traditional commercial printers have really had a challenge over the last few years with the change in the economy.
Right.
A lot of marketing spend was reduced, and so they really had to relook at their businesses. Many of them have evolved into marketing service providers, but many of them have been very smart and looked at what they used to outsource in large format, and now they're bringing that in-house, and they see the technology is available for them to capture that business and grow their revenue structure. So absolutely, large format is a big part of that piece now.
What is that marriage, so to speak, with OSE? What's that done to your side of the business?
Well, as you know, I mean, Canon bought OSE already a couple of years ago, and they really very smartly took their time before fully integrating the OSE companies. And the beginning of this year, we formed the Canon Solutions America company, which was the coming together of the various OSE divisions together with Canon Business Solutions, their copier team. And the most important component was that we wanted to have minimum impact for our customers. Okay, we wanted to have business continuity. Smooth transition.
Yep.
Internally, we can handle it. Yep. But the most important was to make sure our customers within Canon Solutions America were taken care of. And if you look, our sales organization in both production and large format didn't change. Our service organizations didn't change. And so from an outside perspective, there was a continuity in business, and the transition was therefore very, very minimal from a customer perspective.
Let me ask you, Sal, what's the impact of inkjet in the commercial market?
That's a great question. You know, it's not a new phenomenon that the commercial segment has been moving from analog to digital already a number of years. But what you're seeing now is the technology within inkjet is evolving. So in production, the new color stream engines really enable a much higher volume of digital printing that you could do before in a digital press. The same in large format. I mentioned before the Colorwave 900. It's printing at 1 foot per second. You can be printing somewhere in the region of over 500 B1 size for the commercial print market, posters per hour. And the technology, evolution of inkjet technology has really enabled that further transition to digital.
Now, print shop operator comes to you and says, Sal, I really want to expand my business out. How do I generate more business in marketing services and that element of really moving that envelope bigger and bigger and bigger?
And you know, we were discussing before that some companies have already successfully gone into becoming from a traditional print-only commercial printer to a marketing services provider. And what I'd say is certainly embrace the technology that is out there. And I don't necessarily mean the printing technology. I mean the technology of managing campaigns, of being able to report analytics back to their customers. So really adding value in the success of the campaigns. And of course, print is a large component of that, but the embracing of the digital technology to become that full marketing services provider. And of course, at the same time, embracing large format to bring that revenue stream within the mix. What's
the next big thing for the print industry? What do you think is
Well,
around the next corner?
Right. I mean, obviously, things don't miraculously change in big leaps and bounds.
No,
It's
don't.
a gradual process. And I think what we talked before about the evolution of inkjet technology, I think will continue. Certainly as Canon Solutions America, we want to be a progressive innovator for our customers to enable them to transition to the next phase where they are heavily relying on shorter run digital and being able to provide more services for their customer. So really an evolution of technology and certainly from our company's perspective to be a complete partner for them, not only on the pure printing side, but certainly on the consultative side as well.
Great. Sal, it's been a pleasure talking
and
with
to
you.
you, Roger. Take care.
I appreciate you stopping
Thank you very
by,
much.
talking with us here at Print Show
Thank you.
13, Chicago.